ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল আজি তোমালোকৰ কাৰণে এটা নতুন ভিডিঅ' লৈ আহিলোঁ আৰু আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টো ক্লাছ 10 অৰ্থাৎ হৈ যোৱা যিখন ক্লাছ 10ৰ নগাঁও ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্টৰ হাফ ইয়াৰলি এক্সামিনেশ্যনৰ যিখন MCQ টাইপৰ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰ 40 মাৰ্কছৰ এই কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰখনৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট পাৰ্টটো আজি মই তোমালোকক মোৰ এজুতি ক্লাছৰুম ইউটিউব চেনেলটোৰ জৰিয়তে তোমালোকলৈ প্ৰেৰণ কৰিছোঁ কুৱেশ্যনসমূহ ডিছকাছ কৰোঁ Question number 1 what is the meaning of the word emancipation? Here correct answer will be number 2 pesos is the currency of several Latin American countries. T number there is a language MRLC language means relax. Number 3 so he should be lurking in the shadow. What is the meaning of the word lurking? Here answer will concealing. The next is the Korji people are independent and brave hospital. Answer will both A and B. The greatest wealth of South Africa is minerals. Number 6 the greatest wealth of South Africa is yate correct answer is its people. Number 7 lenses filled were white as if covered with correct answer will C to salt. Number 8 the traditional dress of the Kodavas is here correct answer will Kopia. Number 9 who handed letter to Lenso. It is right option is number A, B, C, number D. Number 9 who handed the letter to Lenso. A correct answer holds number C, postman. Number 10 the tiger is locked in a concrete cell. Number B to correct. 11 Amanda hunches for. Here a correct answer holds shoulders. Number C. How many years did Mandela spend in prison? Your correct answer will 30 years. Number 13. What did Lenso hope for? Your correct answer will a downpour or a shower.